Okay, great. All right. So the purpose of this video is to tell you the best practices in taking balance with slim hunger control. So this little combo here is going viral because for the past 2 or 3 months, people have been testing it. And so what I want to explain to you is in hunger control, there is prebiotic fiber called polydextrose. So you can use black cherry lime or the other one. The black cherry lime has another ingredient called spirulina in it that is also good for detoxing. So most of the results people are seeing are with the black cherry lime. Now, if you don't like this flavor and you like the other hunger control flavor, that's fine. It doesn't, don't let that stop you from doing it this way. But what I want to tell you is the best practices for using these products to get the most out of them. So a lot of people started using these just to see like how it would help with weight loss and to see what they would notice. And they're noticing a lot of great things. And so here's what people are doing is they are taking their slim and their balance together an hour before their first meal of the day. So if you eat breakfast, then you would take these pills and you would drink this drink an hour before you eat breakfast. I'm an intermittent faster, so I am going to take these an hour before I have my first meal for the day. And that oftentimes is 11 or noon. So lately I've been taking 2 balance and drinking my black cherry lime slim hunger control an hour before I eat. That's how I do it. And I've been playing around with this. And here's what I'll tell you that I notice is that when I take this and I drink this, it helps me feel more balanced and my blood sugar is more balanced. So then when I go to eat lunch, I actually desire carbs less. I want something heartier like protein. And I feel like I'm satisfied quicker. I feel fuller longer. I notice I don't desire to snack in the afternoon. I'm not having sugar cravings like I was. Like there is something about these two products together that just kind of tell your hunger hormone just to calm down. And so that's why these two products together work so well. So here's the thing. If you've been mixing your slim with an active or a hydrate, that's where you don't want to do that. What we're learning is that it creates an insulin response. And so if you are looking for the extra benefit of weight loss with using these two, then what I would encourage you to do is drink this without combining it with your active. So I would drink this, take this together an hour before your first meal of the day, whatever time of day that is. And then if you're an active user or a hydrate user, then use that later in the day for like a pick me up or just a different drink or whatever. But the reason why balance works so well is because it is a long acting carb blocker. So basically you take this and it has a long-term release where it's actively helping your body digest, like absorb less carbs and sugars. So what it does is it slows down your digestion a little bit. But it does it in a safe and effective way. It's not like other things. So if you struggle with constipation, then you want to make sure you have your BioCleanse and your ProBio 5 on board, because these two things also make up a really important part of the system, which is triplex, right? Your pink drink plus your 2 probiotics. And so you would just take these per usual at night. So you would want to make sure you're taking these at night also. But for the purposes of this video, best practices are one of these and two of these an hour before your first meal of the day. And that is if you're just using these once a day. Some people who want extra weight loss or who have, they're looking to lose 15% of their body weight, then they are using two of these a day. They are doing this an hour before their first meal of the day. They're taking a pink drink, a slim hunger control, black cherry lime, and 2 balance. And then later in the day, mid-afternoon before dinner, they're doing it again. That is also safe to do if you want, but starting out, I would just say the best practices are drink this, take two of these an hour before you first eat for the day, and then just see what happens. So if you have other questions about best practices on taking these two products, let me know. But that is what I would tell you just from the research, what Dr. Hartman has said, what I know about how these products work together. Whether you're looking for, added weight loss benefits, or for me, I'm always looking for better blood sugar balance, then this is where it's at as far as how you take these two products together. So comment below if you've ordered these. And remember, these two, all of these are in a special right now. And so for $153, you can get all 4 of these in a combo at your VIP price, which actually makes the BioCleanse free. So it's such a great price. So, and if you're a regular Triplex user and you just want to do balance, then use your Perks points and redeem balance for 350 points. So that's the beauty of Plexus. You can get a great deal all the time, and you get Perks points by having a subscription turned on. So if you don't have that turned on and you don't know how to use that feature, also let me know, or the person who signed you up, let them know. And I hope that helps explain it. Okay, talk to y'all later.